Hello, my name is Sabine Afzal, and today I'm recording this video to show you around how Al Furqan Academy is using Savvas Realize digital curriculum for our students. So right now I am logged into a test account, so it's similar to an actual account that a teacher would have. And then over here you can see these are the programs that are available. Because this is a test account, I was able to add as many programs as are they're available on the Savvas platform. Okay, so over here you can basically this is a Florida state standard that is being offered to the students of Al Furqan Academy. It's a digital platform. It's something new that the Al Furqan Academy has transitioned to this year. So as you can see over here, every teacher will have their own programs in their account. So if you go by grade, this is for kindergarten science, kindergarten math. This is literacy for kindergarten. So kindergarten teachers will only have their subjects in their account. Similarly, if you go up, there's first grade, second grade, all the way up to high school. This is middle school. Okay, so basically all of the programs are available online. So once the student log in, suppose if a student in kindergarten logs in, they will be able to see the exact same math book in their account. So right now I'm logged in as a teacher, so I can show you how it works. Suppose if a fourth grade science teacher, she wanted to go ahead and go over the material that she's going to teach. All of the material will be like inside the book, so she can pick up any topic that she wanted to go and start. Suppose if this is the topic, then she will have all the resources inside that she will be able to assign to the students. These are teacher resources right here. So let's look at the moon phase right here. So this is everything that's it's exactly the same, like instead of having a physical book, everything is online. So over here she can a teacher can he or she can assign it to different students, and after every I think after every lesson there are quizzes also that are built in into the system, so teachers can also assign quiz. And the quiz, because we have integrated the Google Classrooms and Savvas Realize with our student information system. So anytime a teacher assigns anything to a student, it automatically goes through the Google Classroom, and once they finish the work, it automatically gets graded into the student information system. So I guess this is pretty much it for Savvas Realize, and if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, my name is Sabine Afzal, and I work at Al Furqan Academy as a business manager. Thank you so much for watching this video.